All right, so here we go. So latitude and longitude. So these are imaginary lines that run around Earth, around our globe, as well as from North Pole to South Pole. Using latitude and longitude lines as another way to locate where you are on the globe. And they are both imaginary lines that circle the Earth. They circle the Earth from top to bottom all the way around, as well as going around east to west. Latitude. Latitude lines circle the Earth running east to west. Okay. One way to remember that is that it is flat. Latitude. Lat is flat. So it's one way to think about the difference between latitude and longitude is if you think about latitude, lat rhymes with flat. Okay, and then longitude. Longitude lines circle the Earth running north and south. So they touch the North Pole and South Pole. To remember this, look at the first four letters in the word longitude, and they say the word long. These are long lines running north and south on the globe. So these are longitude or long lines, and then these are latitude. So they go east to west all the way around the Earth. When the latitude and longitude lines are together, the lines form squares like these on the graph paper, okay? If you look closely, you will see numbers and letters on or by the lines. These numbers help to give a specific address to places on Earth. And these addresses are absolute location. So for example, one line that is a latitude line that runs east to west all the way, it circles all the way around, right at 0 degrees, it cuts the Earth in half exactly. That line is called the equator. Have you ever heard of the word equator before? So the equator is the line that runs all the way around east to west and cuts the Earth right in half. That's called the equator. The line that cuts the globe in half north and south is called the prime meridian. Okay, that's at 0 degrees as well. So if you use these lines like on graph paper and you say, okay, I'm at 15 degrees and 90 degrees, where those two lines meet right there at that point, that gives you an exact location, an absolute location. And we know that that one actually is in South America. Okay. So this week, you're going to be learning more about longitude and latitude lines and how they help us find exact locations on Earth. Yeah. So you'll get to do a couple YouTube videos. You'll also do a vocabulary lesson today on longitude and latitude. And then practice using some of those lines to find exact location.